Hello and welcome back to my channel. Working on the Revox A77 Mk4 recap project. What we have here is the switchboard, sometimes called the motherboard or the basis board, to which all the plug-in cards connect. I have the capacitors placed in a convenient location to indicate where they go. On the extreme left here, we have the 100 microfarad 50 volt axial capacitor. That's the original, that's the replacement. Here we have the two ceramic capacitors, 3.3 microfarads, 50 volts. I'm replacing those with two electrolytic 3.3 microfarad capacitors. Then we have these two axials that locate there. I'm going to replace those with two radial electrolytics, 270 microfarad, 35 volts. Now there's a bit of a discrepancy here because the originals are marked at 220 microfarads, 25 volts, and I've just realized I've got 220 microfarad, 35 volts. I would prefer to put in 270 microfarad capacitors in these locations. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.